For Audi nerds, the arrival of the RS3 on US shores is a big deal. This fire-breathing compact sedan has until now been forbidden fruit, with sales limited to overseas markets. The first handful of RS3s arriving will bear a 2017 model designation and be identical to the 2018 model. The RS3 is what happens when you fortify Audi's class-leading A3 entry-level luxury sedan with a 400 horsepower turbocharged 5-cylinder engine. Naturally, the brakes and suspension have been upgraded to match, and most of the A3's and S3's optional equipment has been made standard on the RS3. It's Audi's answer to the Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA 45 and the terrific BMW M2, both potent performers in their own rights. The RS3 is philosophically much closer to the Benz, with its transverse engine layout and all-wheel drive, while the BMW takes a more classic rear-drive approach. One thing's for sure, this is the kind of rivalry we can get behind. Available in only one trim level, the 2018 Audi RS3 shifts your decision-making to the options list. Go for the dynamic package, which will push the playfulness quotient and performance ceiling higher. The 2018 Audi RS3 is a high-performance variant of the A3 and S3 sedans. It is available in a single trim level and is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, 400 horsepower, 354 pounds-ft. A 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission sends power to all four wheels. Track numbers are one thing, but in the real world the RS3's 400 horsepower and all-wheel drive promise to make it a point-to-point stand out.